So, ang flow po ng processing, once you gathered all your requirements, major and minor, lahat meron na ka na. Employers, IELTS, lahat yun. Kung kumpleto ka na and ready ka na mag-submit sa application mo, so you're going to send that sa address ng Immigration Canada, and then through paper-based or kung online, gawin mo online sa website. And then after that, you're going to, makakatanggap ka ng AOR, na tinatawag Acknowledgement of Receipt, na sasabihin ng immigration na, na-receive na namin ang application. And then maghihintay ka na ng another request from IRCC ng biometric collection from your end. And then next is medical request. And then next is, after that, yun, darating na yung pagpasa ka sa medical, wala ka ng problema. Hintayin mo na yung pre-arrival letter, eligibility letter, and then next nyan is yung biometric validity, passport request. Once nag-passport request na po kayo, masabit na po yung passport mo, it's for visa stamping. Ibig sabihin yan, pag na-stamp na, may letter din kasama yan, yung letter of introduction. Ibig sabihin, ito si pangalan mo na naka-state ang information.